you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Madness. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. If you need any masks for face, hair and body scrub, leave your comment and I will reply to you. Today's video is about how to get rid of dark circles, how to remove wrinkles. Today I'm gonna show you a powerful homemade under eye gel. I make it by using a simple ingredients. You just need 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, a 1/4 teaspoon of petroleum jelly or Vaseline, 4 to 5 drops of coconut oil, 2 vitamin E capsules. Add Vaseline to aloe vera gel. Then add coconut oil now. Squeeze the liquid out from the vitamin E capsules, or you can add glycerin instead of vitamin E capsules. Then mix together all the ingredients until they form a thick cream. Now take a clean container and pour it. You can store it in the fridge for 10 days. With your ring finger, apply the gel in your under eye area. Aloe vera gel moisturizer and hydrates the delicate skin under the eyes. The antioxidants present in aloe vera reduce the puffiness around the eyes. Now, gently massage it in a clockwise and anti-clockwise motion. Wrinkles caused by dry skin. Vaseline keeps the skin hydrated and prevents wrinkles. It contains vitamins and fatty acids that are essential to the growth of healthy skin cells. Coconut oil is an effective method for lightening dark under eye circles. The antioxidants in vitamin E protect skin cells from harmful ultraviolet rays and other free radicals that contribute to collagen breakdown. Vitamin E capsules also help to reduce under eye dark circles. Use it every day before go to bed, and the next morning wash it off with normal water. Here our video ends for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment. If this is your first time watching my videos, subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.